In this video, I will show you how your Jotform app works seamlessly across phones, tablets, and desktops. Okay, so here we are. We have our app opened up inside of Jotform. And now at the top right, you want to make sure that you have your preview toggle turned on, and that's going to slide out this preview window on the right-hand side. Now, from the preview options here, we can select different devices such as phone, tablet, and even a desktop. Now, doing this allows you to see how your app automatically adapts to each screen size. And thanks to PWA compatibility, the app runs smoothly across all devices, whether it's opened up inside of a browser or installed as an app. And once you are satisfied, you can go inside of Publish here. Make sure you are inside of the quick share on the left-hand side, and then you can copy this link here and you can share it with your users. And that's it. Your app is ready to deliver a seamless experience across mobile and desktop devices. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform app features, and we'll see you in the next video.